Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, one from Walmart Beauty box, and then the other one's going to be a BzzAgent box. And I don't have any eye makeup right now because I'm going to be filming a palette bingo after this. It's going to be with a Glam Light ice cream palette, this one right here. So yeah, anyways, I don't think I've ever filmed a palette bingo using that palette, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to be starting off with a BzzAgent box. Ta-da! So, dang, this is a big one. So they sent me the papaya and vitamin C ginger root lactic acid by Youth to the People. This one right here. I'm super excited to try this. So this is a cleanser and it exfoliates and brightens your skin. I don't think I've tried anything by Youth to the People. I can't remember, but I know a lot of people like Youth to the People, so I'm really excited. So it's supposed to even out your skin tone, smooth texture, and removes impurities while reducing the looks of pores. So I'm really excited. And I mean, I don't really have that many like skin concerns right now, so yeah, hopefully this doesn't irritate my skin or anything like that. So this is it right here, and it is a glass bottle. Oh, sorry about the AC, I forgot to turn it off. Let me go do that really quick. Okay, I just turned off the AC. Hopefully the beginning of this video wasn't too loud. I'm going to pump it. Let's see how it looks. I actually hate papaya. I mean, like eating it, I feel like, I don't know, I have a bad memory with papaya and it just grosses me out. But I'm not gonna tell you guys because it's pretty disgusting. Okay, so anyways, this feels pretty nice on the skin actually. I can smell the papaya. The smell doesn't gross me out, just the actual fruit. There you go. And well, it does have ginger root, so that's pretty good for your skin as well. I'm going to be using this tonight and I will let you guys know what I think about this. Okay, now on to the Walmart Beauty box. So as usual, this comes with a little pamphlet, and this one is Fall for Beauty. It has the possible products that they sent me in here. So let's see, what did I get? Okay, so the first thing here is a deodorant. I feel like they always send this deodorant. I mean, not like every box, but like a lot of times. So anyways, this is the Degree 72-hour motion sense dry spray sexy intrigue deodorant. This one right here. And I actually really like this deodorant, so I'm not complaining. Okay, the full size retails for $6.12, and this is just a little travel size. Okay, now the next product here. It is the Kristen S Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask for all hair types, moisture reviving, strand softening, and deeply nourishing. So this is it right here. I feel like I've tried this brand before. I'm excited to try this because I really like using hair masks, and this one is to strengthen your hair. Okay, so the full size retails for $14.97 and the full size is 6.7 ounces. This is only 0.9 fluid ounces. Okay, now the next thing here, and this is, what are you? Oh, okay, it's a NYX product. This is a Duck Plump Extreme Sensation. Okay, so it's a lip plumper. So I actually wanted to try these NYX plumping lip glosses, and well, now I don't have to go buy one because I already got one. And actually I don't even have anything on my lips, I forgot. But I'm gonna put this right now and see. Okay, I could already feel the tingling, and I kind of tasted it right now. It reminds me of something. Oh yeah, those hot chili peppers. Is it hot chili peppers? It's a little red candies. Here, let me see if I could get a picture so you guys could see what I mean. Okay, they're called Red Hot or Hot Tamales. Oh, it's called Hot Tamales. These right here. I never really liked that candy. But I mean, I'm not saying it tastes bad on my lips. But anyways, I definitely feel the tingling. I'm not sure if I see the plump. I should have just done one half, and I still have that tingling feeling on my lips. I feel like this one is more tingly than the Too Faced, is it called Too Faced? Yeah, the lip injection one. I feel like this one tingles a little bit more, and I don't really see a difference. Do you guys see a difference? I feel like I can't really see it. Anyways, so the full size of this NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss retails for $12.97. Okay, now the next product. It is a perfume, or is this a cologne? Okay, this is a cologne. This is a Nautica Blue Fougere Aquatic Woody Fragrance for him. So this is it right here. I'll probably give this to my boyfriend or something. So this one retails, well, the full size retails for $26.74, and it is 1.6 ounces. Okay, let's see what else they sent me here. This right here. Okay, they sent me a little sample of the Olay Cleansing Melts Water Activated Daily Facial Cleanser, and it does have vitamin C. Oh, I see. So yeah, the little pads are in there, and dang, they're like really small. It says that it cleans and tones and refreshes. So soak gently, add water, let dissolve. Oh, okay, I get it. So it's like little pads that dissolve once you add water, and then after that you like make it into a little cream by lathering it, and then that's how you wash your face. I don't think I've ever used a water activated daily facial cleanser. Have you guys tried this out? What do you guys think about this? So the full size of this retails for $9.88, and it does come with 32. So yeah, actually I just want to open it to smell it and then like feel it. Okay, so it's just like little tablets. Smells good. It literally just smells like their lotion or their body wash. So hopefully this one doesn't irritate my skin. I'm excited about that. And now the last thing here, it is another little sample, and this is shampoo, conditioner, and styling cream. So it's to reduce frizz and flyaways. So it is Latin Us, or LU Beauty. I've never really heard about this brand before, so we shall see if it works. So it does have vegan keratin, vegan collagen, and silk amino acids. Penetrates and strengthens each strand at a microscopic level, leaving your hair shiny. Okay, so I'm probably going to be trying this out first, and then after I'm done with this, I'll try this little moisture mask. Let's see, this one retails for $12.97, so I feel like that's pretty pricey. I feel like my regular shampoo's like $5.98. Anyways, that is all for the fall Walmart beauty box. That's everything that I got. It was a good box, but I feel like they sent me 2 hair products when they could have sent me the Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Washable Mascara. This one, the mascara right here. It's okay, I guess. And by the way, I still feel that tingling feeling on my lips. Are they bigger? I don't know, I feel like they look the same. Like I don't see any difference. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys got a fall Walmart beauty box, and did you guys get the same things I did? So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's